Here's my review of the Aldi coffee grinder. I've never had a coffee grinder before, and I believe it was like $20. And so far I've been liking it. Coffee beans go into here. It goes on. Adjust this knob here for the number of cups of coffee that you want to make. And on the side here, this adjusts how coarse or fine your coffee is going to be ground. And then we hit the button here for a second. Press that. Oh, first time I had that happen before. I have to fill my coffee pot up. Okay, she's done. This is really hard to do while trying to hold the camera. Take my word for it, it works. So our coffee pot, our grinder automatically shut off. You slide this out. And there's your coffee. Away we go. Usually this is much faster and much cleaner when you can use both hands. And it helps if you've had some coffee before you try to shoot a video about making coffee. And it also comes with a little scoop here to help you measure out how many spoonfuls of coffee you want to match like the amount you want to make. Or you can just kind of eyeball it. You see in this case here I put enough coffee beans in here that it was sufficient to grind what I wanted. There's some beans left, but you know, not a problem. They're not going to get rancid or anything because I'm just going to make some more coffee again tomorrow. And it comes with this little brush so you can clean out your coffee maker. I haven't had to clean it out yet. The coffee goes, when it's ground, it shoots into this little hole here and into the container down below. Normally, I'm not this messy. I'm going to try to get some ground coffee and whole bean coffee, which are exactly the same roast of coffee. Like get two of the morning roast, one whole bean like this and one ground version of it, and actually compare the two head to head and see if there's a difference between the two. But yeah, it tastes pretty good compared to the already ground coffee. Not that the stuff tasted bad before. And it's a fun toy, guys. It's like cool. The only thing is, if you're the first one up in the morning and you want to make coffee, you're probably going to wake everybody up because she is kind of loud. So anyway, and she's pretty cool looking. That looks, I mean, it looks really great with my coffee maker. Anyway, make some coffee, wake up, and edit this video when I'm awake, maybe. Okay. But yeah, one if not two thumbs up from me. Okay.